Okay, imagine living 300 kilometers above Earth. Now, India is already taking giant steps to make this a reality, not in 20 years, not as a science fiction dream, but as a stepping stone to becoming a global space power. Here are the details. ISRO, has announced plans to build its own space station style habitat 300 kilometers above the Earth's surface. Now, this is not just a module. It will be India's answer to becoming a permanently present resident in low Earth orbit. Now, from experiments in microgravity to long duration habitation, this is the next leap. Now, let's discuss and see why this matters. Now, 300 kilometers above Earth, that's an orbit where you're above most of the atmosphere in a near Earth environment. It means scientific research, manufacturing in microgravity, debris monitoring, future deep space missions, all of them will launch from there. So it'll be like an in between station for us. For India, this is about self reliance. Now, other countries built space stations decades ago. We missed that part, and now we are doing a leapfrog to get there. Just as other fiber or other infrastructure on the ground gave network strength, space habitats will create a presence and autonomy for India, which is unmatchable. Now, already ISRO is developing modules, docking system, and preparing for long-term, long-duration human missions. Startups are springing up in robotics, in telepresence, in in-orbit manufacturing, and these sound like science fiction ideas, but they're a reality today and they're investor ready. If India manages to do this, then the dominoes will start falling. Earth, space station, moon, Mars, and so on. Now, if you're building tech in this area, what is generally called space and aviation deep tech, in that space, do follow this carefully because I think the investors are ready. They're ready to have a conversation. Don't miss out on the action. Our next part on this will be orbital infrastructure and your startup. Let's figure you there. Take care.